Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lin, chronic pain specialist at Rehab and Revive. Do you have lower back pain when you sit for a long time? I've got an easy exercise to help you all out. But first, please spend a few seconds to like our video, subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting the thanks button and donating. Also, our team has worked hard to bring online exercise programs to you. You can find the link to our Revive at Home programs below in the description box. We appreciate your support.
All right, and we're back. So if you're having issues sitting, a lot of times you don't have that stable base. And what happens then is if you don't have the stable base, you have a very wispy, kind of rattling, easily moving body or spine. And so what we want to do is we want to engage and create that base. So a lot of times we've got to get that through your glutes and your hamstrings, especially for those of you who have to sit long drives, who are flying often, or just sitting at your desk. This is something easy to do right at the center of sitting. So you can get a furniture mover, or we have these little sliders, these little skill sliders as well. We can link the descriptions of what we use here below as well. And then, or you can use just socks on a carpet. That always works too, especially while I'm on an airplane. So what you're gonna do is the main emphasis is actually to engage here and your glutes. So you're gonna tighten your butt first, and then you're gonna press your heel into the ground. You gotta engage that. If you're shaking right now, you gotta hold it till the shakiness stops. Once the shakiness stops, you can now initiate the heel slide. So I am trying to create as much friction as possible. So think about it as you going to the beach and you're just kind of sitting in one of those lounge chairs, and you want to be able to create like as much like a trough in the sand. So you want to dig in, and then you're going to pull back. You're going to dig in, and you want to use this. I'm not using the quads as much. I'm trying to tighten my butt and my hamstring on the way back, and the same thing on the way forward. So you're just kind of try to do it slow. I'm doing a little fast right now, but if you find little like shaky spots in this, you want to hold it and make sure you maintain control. That's what's going to give you that stability, is to work out and iron out the little kinks in the shakiness. So you're going to hold it, and if I'm shaking right here, then you hold it. But if you're having no issues, then you're just going to do repetitions of this. You're going to do this till sometimes your back starts feeling better. So here's a little side view. I'm just going this way. I'm digging down, putting a lot of pressure here, and just going through there. And I'm just doing a few repetitions of this. I'm feeling my hamstrings. It's like a hamstring curl machine, but this is a little bit more functional because guess what? When you stand, I'm doing something like that, right? So that's basically what it is. You're just gonna drag your heel and keep pulling.
Let us know your thoughts on our video. Please leave us some love or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.